What's up, guys? CanadianPYRO coming right back at you. As you can see, I've cut another pumpkin, or acorn squash it actually is, and I put an 8 grammer in it this time. It goes down to basically the bottom. So I'm just gonna wait for these cars to pass, light it, and then be in awe. Alright, one sec. Someone's gonna hear this shit, no doubt. Oh my god. I did not get... I can't even fucking speak. That was so crazy. I wish you guys could see how much fucking pumpkin just hit me. It's